So if I want to go around and access out my projects, then I can go around and click on designer, and you have access to all of the designs that you've worked with from your particular account. So if you want to go around and then let's say, for example, duplicate out a particular project, then you can click on the three dot button right here and then click on duplicate over here. Then what happens is that it'll copy out that project and we'll keep it right there. So I just chose duplicate, and after you wait for a while, it creates a copy of that particular file, as you can see right here, and then opens it out for you right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. I'm going to go around over here onto designer right here, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So you got the new copy over here and you got the old one right here. Let's say you want to delete out a project. Then what you can simply do is you can click on a particular project right here and then click on delete as well. So it says delete permanently, and it says it was edited 1 week ago. So you can simply go around and click on delete right here, and then that is what you have, as you can see. So the file is simply deleted. You can also go around over here, and without clicking over here, you can click on the open button right here to access out your project from the three dot button that you get right there. And that is how you can go around and manage out your projects that you see in Microsoft Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.